Welcome to the Map Connector tutorial. Today we will walk you through the steps for how to connect maps, create a venue, and add connector pins for multi-map navigation. To connect maps in Web Studio, go to the My Maps tab and select a map. Click Open in the Studio. Then click the Scene Contents menu on the left and click Import Maps. Select or search for the maps you want to connect and click Next. Once you have connected 2 or more maps, you can create your own venue. Select a venue thumbnail and enter a venue name and description. Select the naming convention you want to use for the different levels or areas in your venue. You can reorder the maps by dragging them from the left-hand side and assign the level type individually per map. You can also edit the map names and the identifier. Now that you've created a venue, you can add connector pins to the maps. Connector pins are locations like elevators, stairs, escalators, or bridges that visitors will use to travel between maps. Select your venue map and click Open Studio. Click the location pin icon. To add connector pins, click the pin and path icon and select Connector Pin. Review the instructions for additional information. Choose the connector pin that matches the location in your map. Place the connector pin in the correct location. Add an image, name, and description. Select the pin color and path style. Click Create a Connector Group and then name the group. Select the QR code that is the closest to the connector pin and click Save. Choose the next level to place the elevator pin on that level. Add an image, name, and description. Select the pin, color, and path style. Choose the access point closest to the connector pin and click Save. When you are finished placing connector pins in your venue, click Done and then save and exit.